Okay, it's childish, can't be no homegirl, drop it like the NASDAQ. Move white girls like this coat up my ass crack. Move black girls, cause man, fuck it, I'll do either. I love pussy, I love bitches, dude, I should be running Peter in Adidas with some short shorts. B-O-O all over me, my green is where it's supposed to be. Your green is in my grocery. This Asian dude, I stole his girl, and now he got that Koji beef. My dick is like an accent mark, it's all about the overeat.
Hold up, wait a minute, all good, just a week ago. Crew at my house, and we party every weekend. So on the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long.
Ah, smell that fresh air. Alright, you know what we're doing here? You know why we're in the airport? You know why you meet me at 12 o'clock in the morning? Listen, we are going on vacation. We're going on the woods with the boys. It's a boys trip. I don't know, take your girlfriends with you too. I don't fucking know. I'm a lonely man, alright. Anyways, we're gonna go to this place called Viewpoint or whatever it's called. It's somewhere in California. It's an island, offshore. It's a remote island. I don't know what this is, but I guess we got to try. All right, less chit-chatting. My ass itches. All right, my ass is really itchy today. Let's just get into the airplane and pray that we don't crash into any buildings near our way. Hey asshole, turn off the music. You gonna try to get me copyrighted, you frickin' flabbergasted piece of shit. Get over here. You know, what am I paying you for? What am I paying you for? After kicking the shit out of my helicopter driver cause he's keep playing that Don't Feel the Reaper music, alright? We can't get copyright out here, boys. I apologize. Now, in the beginning of this amazing adventure, we have landed in a helicopter, nice and cozy, alright? We landed here nice and fine, but we encountered a group of British people trying to land on a helicopter, and we found a crash landing. And it looked like there was 2 survivors down there. I don't know, I watched the whole thing, it was crazy. Are you sure there's any void way down there? There's some way down there, I can't help you with that. Roger that. 10-4. I don't know, you just gotta go with the flow. Alright, we got Edward. Alright. This one's 63. Gosh damn, he's 63. His occupation is Sprofco CEO, 17 is 175 centimeters. Eye color's grey. No, he's 25 kilograms. The weight. You there? You understand what I'm saying? Hey Roy, you going in the other one? Age 60, occupation is social white, height is 160 centimeters, eye colour is brown, and her weight is 68 kilograms. What are you looking up there, Sergeant? You better not looking up there porn stuff. Come on down. She's been missing for 31 weeks. got the order. God, no, here's no one problem, by the way, the other one. The other one's Edward. Put that on your codes. You better not be listening to T-Squid over there.
Sergeant. Can we just wait in here? Age 20. Cop. Occupation student hard. 162. She's way more taller than her mother. Okay. Eyes is grey. Weight 57 kilograms. Less than 31 days. Alright, boys. The side of a real view. Construction. Last transmission is something. Error, voices error. You guys understand it? He's understanding it. Alright, let's go. We're going down. Outside the point. This reminds me of a time in Vietnam. Hold on, brother. Go ahead, bud. Shucks for that guy. Wonder. He always shucks at driving the helicopter.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, we're not alone in this place, I guess, because people are shooting down shit. You know, everybody got guns out here. People pew 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 pew, brah brah everywhere. You know, I mean, that's how it shot down the helicopter. By the way, there was I think I saw this random Asian guy walk by me once. I don't know what he was doing, but he had like a cool revolver.
Who invited you here?
No shot. I don't know. I've been speaking British. You just get the helicopter guy. The guy was calling me on the phone was British. And I was like, let me speak British. Don't worry, comrade, I'm just taking your stuff. You're alright, comrade. You're alright. You're alright. Oh no. Oh, your wife is not gonna love this. You gotta. Alright. I want you to follow me. Alright, you're following me. This Vietnam we're talking about.
Yeah, so they just started going, you know, they started going to caves and shit. I don't know what they're doing. They look like they know what they're doing. I think one time they were about to, like, you know, about to fuck. I don't know, at one point. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Come on, we all need to get off sometimes, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We're in the woods after all. No, it's not playing nothing. I'm expecting. Good music. Get your ass over here. Get your ass to the grass, motherfucker. You dead. Get your ass to the grass, motherfucker. You dead. Oh, what is on here? Wish we got a weapon. You got a weapon? I got no weapon. I can craft. Actually, I could craft something, but you gotta have 2 sticks. But if you got 2 sticks, you'll be balling. That's 1 stick. I want 2 sticks. There we go. Now bear with me, friend. Bear with me. You want to take 2 sticks. To crouch a spear, you need. Number one. Number 1. He said it's a slow day at the office. But it doesn't have to be this big. Sweet Jesus. Man's dressed in black. You can't see this guy. Because he's back in black. Oh, 1 single swip with the big iron on his hip. Hold up. Be snaky like this. That's how we do it, boys. Yep. I realize we're gonna kill back. What's going on there? I can't see shit. Oh my fucking. Oh, honey, oh, just fucking see me. Oh, damn, we brother. We're running, boys. Oh no, come on, bro. This ain't fair. Someone pop a pill. Pop a pill. What's up, how you doing? Oh, you son of a bitch. You fucking. Why this is blocked? This is blocked. Go. Other way. No, this way. This way, yes. Oh, this is a... Oh, fuck. I'm blocking these ankles. I'm cracking these ankles. Yeah, let's go. Oh, you son of a bitch. Oh, shit. There they go. There they go. Can't get out of there. How you can't get out of there? There. Fuck you. Can they get out of there? Hold up. Stupid motherfucker. You did this on yourself, bro. Now you're supposed to do this. Better. Come on, eat the hand, stop going over here.
Whoa!
So sad, man. I'm standing outside of this cave that he died in. I saw the whole thing. He got killed by these monster things, you know. It sucks, bro. It sucks. Anyways, I got the boys back and I'm back home. I got the boys back at our own campsite. It's really good. You should see it. You should see it. We're gonna head back, and we're gonna bury this man in this river. If you don't mind. Anyway, back to the next chapter. Boys, welcome to my crib. This is where I get my water at when it's snowing. Alright, this is the well. This is where I put my food at. This is where I do a fireplace. Come over here. You get some nice ass shit here. We got my armory. You know, got a boombox here. It's supposed to play music, but we don't got music box right now. Yeah, we got, these are our sniper area. This is our supply area. And yeah. There we go. Now you want to just build up here. Just like that. You know, just expand. Expand that shit. Oh, I can't go back there no more. We gotta go up further. Oh my god. Oh my, let me fucking move. Abort! Abort mission! Stay your ass down. Oh. Oh shit. Get me in! Oh my god, I gotta go all the way back down here, boys. Oh wait. Ah. I can't see shit. Take me up! Back up, back up, back up, back up! Oh, I'm glad I have this. Man. Fuck you. Where's your friend at? Built this wall to keep the others from getting out. These motherfuckers will not stop until everybody's dead. You know, I pissed them off one time. The reason why they're so mad and is because they pissed me off one time, and I didn't like them. You know, they're always in my way when I'm trying to build stuff. So I killed one of their friends. They didn't like it. You know, they'd be like, "Why did you kill them? I thought we were friends." Oh, they were in the way. I was trying to build like a little small base. And they got all pissy and missy all the time, so we just kept moving, you know. We found a little spot, you know, we call home. They kept raiding us, so everywhere we went, they kept raiding us. No matter the biggest, the smallest, until one day we... know how biggest, the smallest it is, we just kill them. They're very annoying. Some of y'all will understand. You know, building this base makes me realize that I kind of miss home, bro. I kind of miss home. You know, building this base, this big, beautiful base I've been working on for hours. I kind of miss home, man. I kind of miss home. I kind of want to call the helicopter back in, send my ass back home. You know, I already witnessed too much. Death and destruction, just like the 9/11 attack. That's about it. It's worse. It's worse. I want to go back. These cannibals love to harass me. More likely sexually harass me. They like to touch. They try to touch me as I try to go to sleep. They would not let me go to sleep. It's painful, bro. Like I swear. When we going back, I don't know. Base building is too much for me. All I said, yeah. Except for the little guys. The little guys, these little monkey things like to come in my room. You know, they're trying to yank my pants down, trying to touch my balls. It's getting too graphic here. I had to put some spikes in the fucking side of the building, you know, just for them to not get inside the house. You know, they really get a little touchy a little bit. Well, once you get to know them, you know, just stay away from them. You know what I mean? You know, I get attacked a lot of those things. And they got these female cannibals out here trying to, you know, get up on my grill. And I said, hey, I've been taken by nature. I'm single for life. All right. Don't get too attached to me. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? There's something fucking wrong with these cannibals. I'm telling you. Shut up, motherfucker. You want some too, motherfucker? Let's go. we got it.
So you've been hard time hunting out here, or is it just is it like easy for you to hunt out here? Like how you get your food, bro?
Well, I started just hunting, you know, just going out, walking in a stroll, you know, walking stroll. Maybe I'll kill a few cannibals once in a while, you know. It's easy to find animals, all right. They're fucking everywhere, man. They're like the king of the woods, bro. You can find them anywhere, any place, my friend.
So you think the $1 billion company Peter gonna come and get you in this video or something, or they're gonna like, you know, just talking about hunting animals and killing people? You know, you think the vegans and the vegetarians, you're gonna get mad at you for this?
What kind of fucking question is this?
You know what I mean, bro. You know what I mean.
Listen, alright? Alright, if Peter's gonna come at me because I killed a few animals in this video, it doesn't mean I'm gonna go out and fucking join the cannibals and eat their friends or something. No, that's disgusting, and that's a crime. That's the real crime here. All right, we should be talking about how we're gonna get out of this fucking hellhole, not dying to death by starvation. It's not like there's a fucking jelly donut out here, man. We're in the woods, all right. If I can have one thing and one thing only to bring on along and eat, it's protein, all right. The berries don't do shit out here, all right. Some of them kill you and some of them don't. Why do I want to eat berries that can kill me and get me food poisoning?
Bro, exactly.
I'd rather eat and cook the meat from the animals, you know what I mean? You know, my fucking next door neighbors are eating their friend's ass, you know, and their friend eating some fucking foot, you know, they're some foot fetish motherfuckers trying to eat each other, you know what I mean? Trying to eat their foot and their toes, bro. This is the fucking Walking Dead out here. You think I'm gonna eat flesh? Nah, dog, I'm eating some other shit, bro. I'd rather eat me, bro. Hey, you. Oh. Took his ass out real quick, okay. It'll look like our defense system don't work. But we're on it almost.
What do you think about those cave creatures you found in the caves, you know, coming up from the surface trying to attack you, man? Man, the shit must be fucking crazy, man. They're probably like creep you out and shit.
The game doesn't lie, bro. It's a horror game, bro. You're also gonna get attacked by these motherfuckers. I got invaded by them, bro. Like, I get like 20, 50 monsters coming at me like it's the fucking WWE Royal Rumble. Alright, they're coming at me one at a time, bro. It's too much, dog. It's too much. You know, I'd rather just fucking live up in a sky. I'd rather go home, live home, you know. You know, we're here just to film the video, you know. It's just too hard, bro. It's too hard. But these motherfuckers scare me to death every time they come and swing their big giant thing, you know. You seen the finger guy, you know. Once he died, came out of his fucking, you know, he so hard that he died from the alright? That's we don't know what that stuff is, but I guess it's something that we should not be that should not be on YouTube.
So you did anything for the base, you know? Did you get like a goat card, or did you add some stuff to the base, or like what does it look like now?
Yeah, man, I got a goat card. I start building a storage. You know, you store shit. I store shit in there, and that's about it. You know, there's nothing really cool, special about it. I had some defenses and shit, so it's hard for them to get in. You know what I mean? It's we can play poker in peace. You know, me and the homies are chilling out. You know, doing nothing, hang out in the hangout spot that we added. There's nothing that much to it. We also build a wall You know, we built Donald Trump's wall around our base, so we can keep the cannibals, or we can call them the illegals, out of my base. You know, because they're eating each other. They're eating people, and it's illegal.
When you go back to your house and back to your, you know, your back home, are you ever gonna get some bitches? Because damn, dog, your fucking life is depressing as fuck, bro.
Fuck
I
you.
can't live around
Fuck
you,
you,
no more,
piece
bro.
of fucking shit.
I'm sorry,
Fuck
but,
you.
You know,
Fuck
but
you. I
when
don't see
go
you
back,
getting no
it's
shit.
just gonna be more depressing.
I
and
don't see you
depressing
getting
as I
that
work with
shit.
you,
What you
bro.
doing?
Like, I
You over
think
here
we
following me on the camera
fuck,
and asking
bro.
me dumbass
You can't even get
questions.
so coochie on LJ.
Fuck you.
That's crazy, bro.
Fuck you. If you
That's
come out with
crazy.
no, we're going back home. We're going back home.
No.
We're going back home. Yes,
You
yes,
wanna
we're
go
going.
back?
Yes,
Oh
yes,
my,
yes. I'm
bro.
going back home. Fuck
Bro,
you.
you
Fuck
fucking
you.
crazy, though.
Fuck
You
your existence.
you
Fuck
can't
your
get
life.
shit on
Fuck your wife.
shit on your-
I'm gonna fuck her
Man,
next
come
when
on, bro.
I get back. When we get back, I'm gonna go fuck your wife. I'm gonna take your kids.
That shit's
and we're gonna
crazy,
go far,
bro.
far away from you.
That's
Cause
crazy,
you're a
dude.
fucking absolute
That's
piece of shit.
crazy, bro.
No one loves you.
Yo,
No
you're
one gives a
showing your
shit
true
about you.
colors right here,
I
right
don't
now.
like you.
You're showing
Alright,
your
I hope
true
we never
colors
see
right
each
here,
other
right now.
again. I'm gonna take
Try it.
I'm gonna
Try
take a
it.
girl.
See what happens.
Alright, leave me alone. Alright, yeah, I'd like to get picked up.
Oh, really?
This guy, the camera guy, he's a fucking piece of shit. And so we just want
why
to
is he?
just
why-
go home, and you know this vacation's already ruined by him. So
Yeah.
can we please just get the helicopter over here?
Yeah, just meet me at
Alright.
this point right here. I'll put
Thank you.
on you, man.
Oh, by the way,
Yeah.
don't let him play the Don't Fill the Reaper. All right, we
I
have
won't.
too much copyright claims in this YouTube channel already.
Yeah,
we
yeah,
only,
yeah.
we only
yeah.
had like few copyrighted
Yeah.
songs in this. All
I
right?
won't let him play this song, man. I
It's not like I just want a video where there's not copyrighted in here.
I know what you mean, man. I know what you mean. I know what you mean. I'll pick you up
See you
later.
there.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hey Jacob, it's your boy Dogeville. I just got finished on vacation. I just calling to say that your cameraman was kind of a dick. You shouldn't be there. You should fire that guy. He's a complete asshole. Alright, if I had a chance, I would kick his ass. Well, guys, that was a crazy trip. Now I'm back at home, sitting with my mic, sitting with my swag on, like it's the Black Beatles in the cities. Anyways, guys, what do I think about the game? The Foolish. I think it's great. No, I've been playing. I have like 80-something hours out of this game. You know, it's not a good challenge. You get good spooks. You know, it's like a survival horror game, which it is. By the way, don't judge. All right. The story is. Mwah, all right. Don't let anybody tell you that it's there. It's not. It's. I usually tell you if it's good. It's a good game. But let me tell you some flaws here. It's too fucking dark at night. It's too dark. It's too dark. It's too dark. Can you see shit? No, you can't see jack shit. It's too dark. The enemies. Is too hard. Alright, the big mad monsters are too hard for me, alright? That's how hard they are, you know, they're hard that they shoot there's some liquid out of you once they die. Anyways, that's about it, you know. The enemies become a bit annoying once you do stuff. But at the point like where you get everything in the game, You can hunt them down, kill them, build a base higher up so they can't get you. I prefer building your house out of stone because they can't break it. They can't break stone. As you heard, I have had to make a serious call from a friend named Jacob who loaned me a cameraman to film this experience for you guys, and sadly sadly he wasn't coming with us anymore. He's never coming back, so that's the sad part. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Like and subscribe and hit that notification button, and I'll see y'all later, and stay chill. And why does that long pause in?